So when you talk about larger than life gadgets coming into fruition, this is what immediately comes into my sight. Launched today, this is the world's first smart convertible 5.1 5-in-1 refrigerator by Samsung, which has got different cooling modes if you want regular cooling or if you want to save your power bills, if you're on vacation, if you want it to be super cold, or if you just want something like this. This is the mini area of the refrigerator on the top, and this is the massive interior of Samsung's latest refrigerator. Its entire capacity is 620 liters, which means that you can actually fit maybe about couple of weeks food inside and be very happy about it. It's got humidity control where it keeps food at an internal humidity level of 70%, where Samsung says that the other usual refrigerators keep food at 30% humidity. That's a lot of difference. Here you go, egg trays, you can keep a dozen eggs, and you can keep 6 2-liter bottles, and you can keep about, I'm not sure, I think 2 kilos of apples. This is pretty crazy. Wow. Just to give a reference, I'll just show what this is doing. So that's me, and that's just one half of the fridge. I'm not sure if this is coming or not, but yep, that's the fridge. Wow.